We're here today to experience 2 different types of Coke. No, wrong, no, I'm just kidding. Scratch that one.
Today we are taste testing new Coke, which is actually old Coke brought back from the 80s.
What? Testing all the different kinds of Coke. New Coke, which is old new Coke.
The new Coke, they're re-bringing it back.
The newest.
Re-bringing it back?
Old new Coke. When Coke made new Coke.
New Coke. Look.
It says
brought to you by Stranger Things.
This is the formula that Coke released in the 80s, calling it New Coke. They replaced regular Coke with New Coke, and everyone hated it.
So we're taste testing the soda everyone hated?
Yes.
Okay, cool, right on.
Enjoy this limited edition 1985 can in celebration of Stranger Things 3. So apparently these taste different then.
Tastes like the 80s. Tastes like a nostalgia.
The 80s has a flavor, and this is it. I will say I like the design of this can.
No, it is
This
not.
is some cool artwork. Minus the new on there. If they took this off, then it would look more retro than like new exclamation mark.
I drink Diet Coke, but I don't know, do you drink?
I drink Coke, like when I do drink soda, I probably usually go with Sprite. I rarely drink soda, but I'll go with Sprite or Dr. Pepper usually. Every once in a while I'll get a Coke.
I mean, I don't drink soda very often, and I definitely don't drink Coke.
Right,
ever.
neither do I. I drink Diet Coke.
I mean, you drink Diet Coke, yeah, I drink Diet Coke. But Diet Coke tastes so different than regular Coke. Anyway, like it's a whole nother flavor.
They don't tell you the secrets.
They don't tell you the
Those
secrets.
bastards. What's different? We don't know. We don't know.
It's just the recipe, different recipe.
So there could be some heinous things in there.
Who
and that's
knows?
why they didn't like it. Okay.
We're gonna find out.
Are you a clean the tab person?
Yes.
You wipe it off first? Yeah. And then I'm like, where's my shirt been all day? So
It's been like sweating.
yeah, rubbing up against.
All you're doing is
stuff.
just rubbing around that bacteria.
Okay, I'll do the honors on the OG, regular, traditional Coca-Cola.
Oh, if that's not commercial quality pour, I don't know what is. Coke for all your Stranger Things hydration. So here we go. Original recipe Coke. Well, classic recipe Coke.
Oh! No, I'm just kidding.
I kind of like
It's
the
very
taste of
quiet.
Coke. I'm surprised. I kind of like this flavor. I rarely ever drink soda, so like I didn't know what to expect what this tasted like, and it tastes good.
It's refreshing. This is exactly what
Yeah.
I remember Coke tasting like.
It tastes like less spicy root beer.
What do you think?
Great, Coke.
Okay.
Let's crack open the new
Coca-Cola.
Coke. Crack it open.
Okay. Started doing an ASMR video. Whoa.
Don't mix
That
it.
would have been bad.
Ooh, that's a good pour too. Oh, even with the lift up, look at you.
I feel like
A lot of foam. There's
it's a
lots
little
of
bit lighter.
lot of head on that one.
No?
Yeah, the color does seem slightly different. It definitely foamed up way different. The carbonation is
Way more carbonate.
carbonation is popping on this one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It has a more like sharper smell. Do people do this? Do people taste Coca-Cola like this?
I mean, not a single difference, do I?
really-
I
I
can't
really-
tell a single difference.
If I dropped my Coca-Cola in the swimming pool while it was an open can and pulled it out really quickly, and then I continue to drink, that's kind of what it tastes. It kind of tastes chlorinated.
I think that's what I'm getting on the smell and the taste. There's like a medicinal taste in there.
Almost like a licorice.
Yeah,
Right?
kind of like that licoricey taste.
Immediately right off the bat, I wouldn't really be able to tell the difference. If someone gave me a new Coke, I would just think it tastes like Coca-Cola. It's so similar, it's so close that there might as well not really be a difference.
I would drink either one of these. I think psychologically my mind is just telling me I like this one better. The original one.
Old Coke. Yeah, old Coke.
The old Coke. This one.
The
Our
old
classic
new
one.
Coke.
But this isn't bad. I expected it to taste way different.
Yes.
And it's just slightly different.
off.
Just like a slight something different to it.
Coke has one of those weird things that like after you drink it for a little bit, it kind of loses all of its flavor. you become desensitized to it.
You do.
And it just tastes like kind of bubbles in some flavor, but you don't really, it's not like bold. Like,
I feel like the regular Coke is like a little bit, I don't know, richer.
You know, it's fine, but yeah, like, soda just doesn't do it for me. Like, what's the point of drinking this?
Now, if they had a new Diet Coke,
Ooh.
I'd be interested in that.
Okay.
the cola flavor is vanilla, cinnamon,
Oh, really?
and citrus.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's
Wow,
the
I didn't
cola
know any of
flavor.
that, brother.
The new Coke tastes a little bit more heavy on the citrus for me. Like, it's got that kind of brightness to it. It's a little bit lighter, airier, more acidic. It's got more like sparkle to it when you taste it. It just kind of lights up.
Yeah.
This
Running.
recipe is definitely like a deeper, more caramely flavor, and this one's like a little bit more like acidic, I might say, like medicine-y, like you said, maybe like licorice-y.
Yeah, interesting flavors.
Carbonation's starting to burn the throat a little bit. Ooh, it's a spicy meats ball.
The regular Coke to me is that darker, deeper, kind of more vanilla, more cinnamon. Yeah, rooty. Yeah, it just
Rooty.
it doesn't have that like sparkle. Is the only
Yeah.
way I can describe it
Yeah.
in terms of flavor. But I only get that tasting them side by side.
Yeah, if you gave me this at a restaurant, I wouldn't be like, is that new Coke? You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't, you can't tell at all.
I kind of feel like this is like what big corporations like Coca-Cola do anyways. They're like, try our new recipe. Just like put a tablespoon more of something in, and they're like, it's new.
New means from the 80s.
Yeah.
Confused by the huge outrage, but I definitely think they made the right choice.
The new Coke, which the outrage back in the day was that it was like too sweet, it was like too overpowering. So when they did taste tests,
Interesting.
initially people were like, oh, this is great, it tastes really good. And then over time, the more people drank it, they realized like, oh no, it's like, I don't like it as much. And I'm definitely getting that. The more I drink of the new Coke,
Yeah.
the more it doesn't sit right with me.
Should we be concerned that the new Coke doesn't have a list of ingredients?
Oh, it tells you to go to like a website or something.
Oh, perfect.
Very filling, the amount of sugar that's in
Yeah.
Coca-Cola. There's so much sugar in this
Yeah.
stuff.
So much, dude.
39 grams
It's
in one can.
crazy. That's crazy. Dude, they won't tell you. Isn't it illegal? Don't they have to tell us something?
This is the box it comes in.
Ooh.
When you order, you have to order it special from Coca-Cola.
Stranger Things.
Yeah. And it also comes with these two little collector bottles
Oh, nice.
that are kind of cool. They're
Oh,
like
is
stranger.
that a Coke Zero?
It's a bottled Coke
I've
Zero.
also never had Coke Zero.
Oh, that's a Coke Zero. This is just a regular Coke. Original taste Coke. So this is the one we've been drinking. But look at this box. This box is so cool. One summer can change. Oh, you get this? You get this, right? One summer can. Like, one summer can change everything.
I guess it wouldn't make sense if it
witty.
said one summer bottle change everything.
I think the box is okay, but this is nothing I would really want to save. It's kind of like just cardboard, like shipping box.
8 ounces versus 12. Ooh, you're getting less Coke here. But the bottle is so nice.
So new Coke is actually 20 more calories. So new Coke is 160 calories, and regular
Okay.
Coke is 140.
Oh, that actually.
And then there's more sugar in it. It is
Oh.
3 grams more sugar in new Coke compared to, so it's a little sweeter.
We called that fructose.
Natural flavors is what's in it.
Why are they allowed to say that?
Overall final thoughts is that I think I'm gonna go with the regular, traditional, what's currently on the shelves Coke. The new Coke is good, but I don't think it's drastically different or better in any way to warrant it being around.
I think I'm just stick with Diet Coke because neither one of these has steered me away from that. I like Diet Coke.
I'm gonna stick with water because I feel like already just from this.
It's a good call.
But I would definitely go with regular Coke over new Coke.
I mean, I'm way more interested in the packaging than I am the actual beverage. But I'm like that with a lot of stuff. It doesn't matter what's on the inside, it's what's on the outside.
Probably like a lame conclusion if you were to be watching this video, but not worth it. Not worth even trying.
Now let's get some rum. I think that's all that this is missing. A little rum and Coke.
This was strange, but if you want to see some stranger videos, check out where we try to guess food based on sound. Coke.